My great salutations unto the feet of the Almighty and the great Gurus. Today, I have to address one more adamant child, Zakir Naik. I have been watching this adamant child, want to prove that he is always right. And having the capacity of memory and with no logical ideas, he wants to establish everything. Of course, even logics are limited, and with the mere book knowledge, he wants to establish. Zakir Naik, my dear Zakir Naik, with mere memory, you cannot do anything. With mere logic, you cannot reach anything. That I realize, and so many people have realized. Immaterial of religion, language, and so on. I am absolutely with the people, those wherever they belong to, wherever they stay. And you want to go always behind letters, not behind the meanings. That is your problem. If you keep on reading, that is good, but you fail to understand. Everything should be interpreted and should understand. Zakir Naik, you have failed to do that. I am sorry about it. You always have a problem with idol worship. Do you know what is idol worship? In India, we have symbols. Every symbol has a representing information. You go and ask any Bharatanatyam teacher, he will explain to you. A philosopher need not come there. Patakam, Tripatakam, Kartrimukam, and so on. If he keeps this way, this is a symbol of knowledge. If this symbol is made it in an art, that is called art. That symbol is represented through art. If it is done with a clay, that symbol, that knowledge is expressed through a clay statue. If it is done with a sculpture, stone or bronze, anything, that's it. We are conveying a message. Suppose you are conveying through Urdu or Hindi or English. If I am conveying the same message through my language, what is your problem? So you have your way of representing few things. We have our way of representing things. Every statue is made with care. That is representing. It's not a human form. It is made in a human form. That's so then people can easily relate with it. Idol is just a symbol. Nobody says idol is God. And I will come to a second logic. If God is all pervasive, he should pervade here and now. Will not he pervaded in statue? As a small child with a little knowledge like you and me, you are ignorant as well I am ignorant as well you are. We are no way bigger than my dear sir. And that with little knowledge, if I am going and showing any direction or anything or standing anywhere, if he is all pervasive, whether I pray through idol or pray through without idol, what is the problem with God? Will not the God know the child is ignorant? He will not make you realize. How he will take it is a mistake. Suppose your father is happened to be a great sculptor and his grandchild is making a small clay toys. Even with mistakes, if the person is great, he won't beat the child. Instead, he will appreciate, he will encourage it. A childlike mind has to grow holding something or other. He has to reach a higher philosophical view. That's it. How do you fail to see all this? Zakir Naik, why don't you always keep argumentative? Argument will not carry anywhere. And at the end of the session and every session, you want to convert few people. Why do you get so much pressure to convert people? Permitting people as they are, accepting people as they are, accommodating people as they are is the great art. You are not a God's person, you are a simple dictator like. We should be, if you are a matured, if you are a really matured person, you should be inclusive. You want to be always exclusive. Why, my dear Zager? Why? What's your pressure? It shows our immaturity. It shows our pressure. You are working like a company person. I want to sell my product. Do you think religion is a product to sell? Only the company person, the soap businessman will come. I am the only company which is standing out. What is all this? We are here to tell people what is wrong, what is right. No. We are here people to love people and help people out. So, what I say is, you are a memory chip. My dear Zakir Naik, you are a heavy memory chip. A computer made with memory chip, but too illogical, my dear Zakir Naik. Why I am defending you? In an argument, you said I would meet up people only if they have 3,000 followers. If Zakir Naik happened to be a layman, people like me, person happened to be in that state, and you would accept that you are a fool, the person who has handful of followers is intelligent, or the person only those who have great followers, they are only intelligent if you consider. Comparatively, your followers are less, then the people happen to be wise. Majority doesn't make wise. Majority is just a majority. Sometimes wise, sometimes unwise. If I don't follow Veda or anything, I don't want to quote. Without quoting, can you attend? You keep on quoting, and you don't understand a single word of any book. You keep memorizing. Think, realize, try to understand it. If just go through the line, if you have anyway somebody or other before your absence from this planet, I pray Almighty in your word, Allah, that Allah will bring this video to your sight. If God is all pervasive, it should pervade everywhere. If He is ever present, and He was present before creation, He will be present after creation. Ever present means always present. And ever present cannot be seen, because only created object can be seen. Ever present will not be seen. And if He is pervaded, means He is pervaded with me before I am created and even after my dissolution. And I should realize that He is present always with me. The thing or a conscious or Allah or Ishvara, whatever you call, I have no problem with language. Only you have problem. You are stubborn in calling a single word. If a baby, instead of calling your name exactly, suppose your grandchild, instead of calling Zakir, Saki, no problem. Sakinaki, no problem, because it is born out of love. It is trying to utter it. So any word, any language, only things should be understood. You fail to do that. It is always present with me, that need not be even prayed according to your logical also. If idol worship is not worthy, even prayer is not worthy, japa is not worthy, What about your symbols? Japamala, the cap, and the dress, all codes, even the Arabic letters, everything is meaningless. If you say that is logical, even this is logical. These temples and these things are for the beginners and for the growers. The understood person, he doesn't need temple, he doesn't need even a prayer because he needs only understanding. Not just like you, my dear. Memory chip, Zakir Nayak, at least hereafter. Try to mend yourself, mend your thinking. Be inclusive, don't be exclusive. And I would like to have a coffee with you with a hugging, with a smiling face. Thank you, Zakir Naik. Oh.